Who's setting the pace in the global angle seat valve market? You might expect a clear market leader, but the numbers suggest a much more competitive landscape. Christian Burkert leads with a 7% market share. Parker-Hannifin Corporation follows at 5%. Emerson Electric accounts for 4%, while Gemu Group holds 3%. OMAL S.p.A rounds out the list with 2%. Now here's the key insight. Together, these 5 companies represent only 21% of the market. That leaves nearly 4/5 of the industry in the hands of a wide range of manufacturers. So what's the takeaway? The angle seat valve market isn't concentrated around a few dominant players. Instead, it's characterized by strong competition, diverse suppliers, and a broad mix of regional and global manufacturers, all competing for their share of a growing industrial market. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360i research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry benefits, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident action. Connect with 360i research and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.